Standard 8 Maths Chapter 14 Factorization. Hello everyone, in this video we will start up with a new chapter, that is factorization. So what are factors? Like we are taking any natural number 20. So it's a natural number. Now what we are doing? We are reducing it to simpler form. Like 20 can be written into 2 into 2 into 5. So these 2 and 5 are the factors of this 20. So factors of any number are those number which when divides a given particular number to and leaves no remainder. Suppose if I am dividing 20 by 15, so it leaves no remainder, and so 5, this is which is a divisor of, in this case it is also the factors of 20. It is also a factor of 20. So the factors are nothing but divisor, or it can be question sometime, and condition is there that they should not leave any remainder. It is similar in case of algebraic expression. Like in chapter 9, I have explained what were the factors of algebraic expression or algebraic terms. Like we have taken a example, like it is 10xy. So what are the factors? It will be 2, 5, x and y. These are the factors of this term. Fine. And what are the prime factors? When prime factors are in case of when we are factorizing natural number like 20 or 30, we are I'm writing, so it can be 2 into 3 into 5. So when the factorization is done in terms of prime numbers, these are called prime factors of that particular number. One more thing, when we talk about 1, it is the smallest factor of any natural number or any algebraic expression. So we may or we may not write 1 as factor, but it is always considered as the smallest factor of any number. Now, factors of algebraic expressions. I have explained you in chapter 9 very nicely. So we will take example, like if we are saying that like we are considering a term 7x square y z. So if I have to write its factor, it will be 7, it will be x, y, z. So these 7, x, y, z, these are the factors of this algebraic expressions. Okay. Now, what is factorization? So I hope the concept of factors is clear. Now what is factorization? Factorization is a process of reducing an algebraic expression into simpler form. Now suppose there is a algebraic expression. Okay, this is an algebraic expression, and these 2x and these 4, these are the term of algebraic expression. Now if we consider 2, we can factorize it as 2 and x, means these 2 and x are the factor of this term. And when we write 4, it can be written as 2 into 2. Clear? Now what is common in between them? This 2 is common in between them. Now we can write this 2x plus 4 is 2 into x. There is a plus sign in between, plus 2 into 2. Clear? Now this is common, so we can take it this 2 as common, and what remain inside? This is x. Here it is 2. So these 2 and this x plus 2, these are the factors of this expression. These are factors of this algebraic expression 2x plus 4. Clear? Now how do we factorize? By using common term. So this is also example of common term factorization by common factors. Now we will take more examples, like example number 1. Example number 1, that is on page 219. Page 219. So here is an algebraic expression, that is 12a square b plus 15a square ab square. Okay, so this is an algebraic expression, and these 12a square b and 15ab square, these are the terms. Now what are the factors of this term 12a square b? It can be written as 3 into 4 or we can write 3 or 4 because 3 and 4 are the factors of 12. Here it is a, since it is a square, so these are 2a, and this is b. This is the factorized complete factors of this 12a square b. Now this is 15 ab square. How we are going to write? This is factors of this term will be 3, 5, a and b. Now if we are writing this term, it will be 3 into 4 into a into b. There is a plus sign in between. This will be 3 into 5 into a into b into b. Now what you see common in between? There is one 3. Okay. There is a. So this is a and this one b. So these are the common terms. And what is left inside? Here this is 4. This is a. We have taken b outside. What is this? From this we have 5, and what we have from this a we have taken outside, and one b is left. So this is, so this 3 into a into b will be 3 ab, and what is left inside is 4a plus 5b. So this is the, we have taken out the common factors outside, and we have factorized. So this 3a into b into 4a plus 5b will the factors of this algebraic expression. I hope this is clear. Now next example. Example 2. This is 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x raised to power 4. Now what is the factor of this x square? 10x square. It will be 2, 5, x, x. Clear? For this 18x cube, it will be 2, 3, 3, x, because there is power 3, so I have to write 3 times. And what is this? 14x raised power 4. It will be 2, 7, x. So this is the complete factor of these individual terms. Now, if we write 2 into 5 into x, this is first term. This whole is first term. Minus in between. This is 2 into 3 into 3 into x into x into x. This is our second term, that is 18x cube, plus this is 2 into 7 into x into x into x into x. Clear? Now what you see common in between them? There is 1, 2. We have 2, 2, 2. So we'll take it out common. And now see x. How many x? 1, 2. There are 2x in this term, 2x in this term, and 2x in this term. Okay. So we'll take x into x. So what is left inside? From this term we have taken 2 common and these 2x outside. So what we left inside? This is 5. And from there we have taken these 2 and these 2x. What is left? 3 into 3, it will be 9. And there is 1x. So it will be 9x plus. From this we have taken this x out 2 outside and these 2x. So what is left? 7. X into x will be x square. Clear? So 2 x into x will be x square, and what is left? This is 5 minus 9x plus 7x square, or we can write it as 2x square into 7x square minus 9x plus, we have just rearranged these terms. Okay, so these are the factors of this expression. So yes, so these are the factors of this expression. So for more examples we can take, like this is 12x plus 36. So 12x can be written as 4 into 3. This 12 can be written as 4 into 3 into x, and this 36 will be 4 into 3 into 3. Clear? Now 4 into 3 into x plus this is 4 into 3 into 3. So what is common? This 4 into 3 is common. So we can take out 4 into 3, and what is left? Here is x is this is 3. So it is 12 into x plus 3. So these are the factor, these 12 and these x plus 3 are the factor of this expression. Now these terms cannot be reduced further. So we will take some more example and how to do factorization by regrouping method in our next video. Hello everyone, in last video we have discussed